Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing beautiful, powerful, natural cheese conch from Indian Ocean gives you protection from black magic and evil eyes. So you can see even all naturally formed in this conch. It is very rarely found in Indian Ocean. It is a normal conch. You can see the difference from cheese conch and normal conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See, you can see the difference between cheese conch and normal conch. Like these cheese conchs are very powerful, gives you protection from black magic and evil eyes. This conch is for protection from black magic and evil eyes, very rarely found in Indian Ocean. You can see throughout the whole uniformly found. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You can see throughout the whole naturally found in this conch. It is beautiful, powerful. Cheese, cheese conch from Indian Ocean for your protection from black magic and evil eye. Just you keep this conch in your puja room is enough. Will give you high protection to you from black magic and evil eye, and will remove all negative energy in your place and makes your place to flow with high level of positive energy and gives high protection to you. It is for protection. Cheese conch, natural cheese conch from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.